right, guys, I got a good one for you today. It's going to be 6563 Deerfoot Crossing Lane. We're in Trussville, Alabama. This beautiful custom home build. It's going to be about 3,800 square feet. It's going to be a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. And guys, I can't wait to show you the inside of this home. It's absolutely stunning. It is the detail of this company, Graham & Company, LLC, is the builders of this property. So if you want some information about that, get in touch with me below. They build a phenomenal home. Then also, if you're interested in homes in the Trussville, Alabama area, and then also especially in the Deerfoot area, please get in touch with me. Again, my description is in below. I can't wait to take you on the inside of this home because you're in for a treat. So just under 900,000. The builder has tons of incentives. Contact me for that information, and I can't wait to show you this house. All right, guys, come on in to the inside of this home. All right, as you enter the home, it's got these nice soaring ceilings, nice fixtures here. Banquette of steps that go straight up into tons of square footage upstairs with bedrooms and media area. So right when you come in off to the left here, you have a nice dining room. The colors that the builder chose are perfect for this room. You got the coffered ceiling there. That is a nice touch. But what I do love about this home is how open this home is, and it has tons of natural light. That's the best feature of the home, in my opinion, is how much light it does bring in. Now, the builder is phenomenal. He does a great job with the builds. Custom home build here. A nice patio that goes out to the back, but got these beams here for added luxury. Get a load of that kitchen. I can't wait to tour that kitchen with you. But nice and open. Have the living area right here. And then also the kitchen right here. My clients, what are the things that they asked that they wanted was a white kitchen. Well, this is it. This kitchen right here is perfect for entertaining. If you love to cook, this is a perfect kitchen for you. I do like how the builder put in the microwave down low there. And then one of the things that they wanted was these gold pulls here, which is a nice touch and how modern this kitchen is. It's gonna be quartz countertops. Got a nice farmhouse sink right here. Gas range there. Got the under lighting that is just perfect for showing off that backsplash. But again, this home is exquisite. I mean, look at the ceiling. Just these touches of custom home built. You know, it's just the refrigerator there. So nice. Like I said, this living room is perfect entertaining room. And then show you real quick the back porch area. So you get a look at the back porch area. You got a nice and private backyard. And we'll go to the exterior here in a minute. Again, wood touches there. Nice ceiling fans. All right, let's head on to just off the kitchen. Obviously it has, we got a catch-all here. Obviously I came in the front door, but we do have garage here. That'll come off with an entry off to the garage. And then we have the laundry room here with a bonus. Gotta love that in a laundry room. You got a hanging rack there. Nice cabinets here. Perfect for storage. but a nice laundry room. All right, I'm actually headed. Got the half bath right here. God, the colors of this home. Did an amazing job. All right, straight into the primary suite here. So you got the nice tray ceilings. And then I'll show you this, the master suite, ensuite there. A lot of natural light coming in. And then get a load of this bathroom here. You got the 2 double vanities here. That is just absolutely stunning. And then we got a soaking tub right here. Nice big shower. The subway tile. Never can go wrong with the subway tile. You got your toilet closet, but then right on into closet with the built-ins. Big closet. I mean, we got a rug in here. That's when you know you've got a big closet, is when you got a rug in your closet. So, all right, we'll go pass through here and then back out. Then we'll take you to this guest room over here. So you got 2 bedrooms on the main. And again, you got your nice little sitting area here. Privacy in your backyard. All right. Nice big pantry. Get some lights on for you. Let's see. Nice big pantry for you. Man, this house is built so well. Little cook closet there. All right, so you got another bedroom on the main, which is a nice bonus. It also has a large closet as well into the bathroom. Nice tile work, subway tile, get the gray color. Oh, it goes all the way up. They did a great job with this extra bathroom here. This guy's got. I'm just loving the color scheme of this home. The designers of this home did a great job. Obviously the staging's done well, but just the colors just all flow. So I'm gonna actually take you upstairs now. All right, headed on upstairs. Give you a look down as I'm going up the stairs. A lot of square footage upstairs. There'll be a bonus room here. Not bonus room, storage area here with all your major components of the home. HVAC, water heater, all of that. Straight into literally, one of the things that I love about this house is the amount of hardwoods in this home. I love a home with hardwoods throughout. Now some of the bedrooms up here have carpet, but that's just a nice touch. And then of course, plantation shutters is another nice feature here. But this could be like a little media room, office, just a hangout room here for the guests upstairs or kids upstairs. And then first room to your left, big rooms here. There's not a closet in this room, so this is gonna be probably another playroom or lounge area, media room. We could use it as a bedroom if you needed to. On to another bedroom, smaller room here. But it is gonna be, I believe this will be Jack and Jill. I'll let you see. Let's see how these doors are. Yeah, it's got a closet, nice big closet right here. I just love what they've done in all the bathrooms where they're putting the subway tile all the way up to the ceiling. Yeah, this is gonna be Jack and Jill. Another bathroom. Vanity, excuse me. On into this bedroom right here. that is the upstairs area. Like I said, plenty of square feet upstairs. We'll head back down and give you one last look of this amazing home here in Trussville, Alabama, in the Deerfoot community. Wow. I could live here. I think I could live in a lot of the homes I tour. Very nice. All right. This wraps up our tour. If you have any feedback for this home or need information about it, please contact me in the description below, and I'll catch you on the next one.